Multifunctional USB wall outlet, 3 smart USB charging ports, 1 USB-C, and 6 AC outlet plugs with a built-in surge protector, 490 joules. AC 100-240V normal working voltage range. It supports 9 electric devices simultaneously, like cell phones, iPad, laptops, lamps, cameras, and many other devices. Smart USB charging ports, 5V 3.1A shared rating. High-speed USB ports automatically detect charging devices and deliver optimal charging speed. USB-A up to 2.4A per port, USB-C up to 3.1A. Note: the Type-C port doesn't support MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or any other laptops which need 1422V charging voltage. 0.6 outlets wall surge protector. The extended 6 outlets fit 6 standard plugs simultaneously, built-in 490 joule surge protector. The surge protected indicator LED light turns on to show your devices are protected against electrical spikes at the maximum. Fast installation and phone holder design. Just plug in for duplex outlet and a core outlet. The screw included can be used to secure it on the duplex outlet. The plastic prong at the bottom is for reinforcement purposes also. For the USB receptacle and GFCI outlet, the plastic prong needs to be cut off before use. Also, your cell phone could be put on the top phone holder conveniently when charging. Our after-sale service. MyFaso's friendly and reliable customer service will respond to you within 24 hours. You can purchase with confidence, with our 12-month replacement warranty, or 30-day money-back guarantee. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Multifunctional USB wall outlet, 3 smart USB charging ports, 1 USB-C, and 6 AC outlet plugs with a built-in surge protector, 490 joules. AC 100-240V normal working voltage range. It supports 9 electric devices simultaneously, like cell phones, iPad, laptops, lamps, cameras, and many